Can't pay your rent? Here are some things that you need to do. The most important thing to do if you have not paid rent is to apply for rent and utility assistance. Over $350 million is available for rent and utility assistance for those impacted by the COVID pandemic. In order to be eligible, you will need to be able to provide proof of identity and residency, bill documentation, income information, and proof of COVID-19 hardship. Programs are being run by the Council for Native Hawaiian Advancement and Catholic Charities for the City and County of Honolulu, the Kauai Government Employees Federal Credit Union for Kauai and Niihau, Catholic Charities for Maui County, and a hui of providers on Hawaii Island. If you have applied for a program and are having difficulty providing documentation or have been denied because your landlord is refusing to participate, please contact the Legal Aid Society of Hawaii for assistance. If you have not done so already, it is important that you make a budget for your family. This should include all current and realistic future income, including new income from employment or even the loss of unemployment. Take into account any unpaid debts like past due rent or utilities, credit card debt, or a car loan. Also look at your current expenses: rent, utilities, food, cell phone, cable, internet, subscription services, childcare, and transportation costs. Once you figure out your income and expenses, if your expenses exceed your income, there are a few things you can do. First, look to whether you can reduce your current expenses, like streaming services, eating out, or cable service. If you have reduced your expenses already, and it is unlikely that your income will increase, you may need to consider finding a cheaper place to rent. Second, if you owe unpaid rent and utilities, seek rent and utility assistance. This could help get rid of some of your debt. Third, if you really cannot afford your rent or other necessities, apply for public assistance. Public assistance can provide cash assistance, medical insurance, and SNAP, which can help you purchase food. If you are looking at your job returning and your income increasing in the future, by figuring out a plan to pay your debts and pay your rent, you can be prepared to talk with your landlord or participate in mediation. If you are unable to return to work and can no longer afford the rent, this may also inform how you can talk to your landlord to negotiate a move out. If you have received a notice for non-payment, here are some things you need to do. First, talk to your landlord to see if you can try and reach an agreement before they file in court. Second, respond to the mediation center when they contact you and schedule the mediation. If you do not hear from them within the 15 days from when you receive the notice, call to follow up. Third, apply for rental assistance. If you have already applied and have not been approved, contact the program to let them know that your landlord gave you notice and that you need to know what else they need. Fourth, make your budget so you have a plan in place for how you will pay your rent when you attend mediation. Fifth, call for legal assistance or review available legal information to know your rights. Sixth, attend the scheduled mediation. Finally, attend your court hearing. If the court hearing is scheduled, you must attend. Even if you decide that the best course of action for your family is to move out, you should still show up for the court, as you may be able to still work out something with your landlord and find a way to receive rent and utility assistance to offset any rent you might owe. If you need legal help, apply for legal services online at www.legalaidhawaii.org or call us Monday through Friday, 9 to 11:30 a.m. or 1 to 3:30 p.m. at 808-536-4302 or 1-800-499-4302. You can also find additional information at www.legalaidhawaii.org.